Hello students. Yesterday we have started worksheet number 6 and we have done 3 questions, that is word problems, first, second and third. And there is one word problem left, that is question number 4th. So today we will do that question. We will discuss the value based question and brain teasers. Now here the question is, in a hall there are 2855 seats. On a particular day 2096 people attended a meeting. Now in a hall, एक हॉल में 2855 सीट्स थी, दैट मीन्स टोटल सीट्स जितनी भी थी हॉल में वो थी 2855. And there was a meeting, and in that meeting 2096 people attended. So 2096 people ने attend की है meeting. That means वहाँ पर आए 2096 people. So the question is, how many seats were vacant in the hall? Vacant means खाली थी. कितनी seats खाली बच गई? Total number of seats are given. Number of people attended the meeting is given. कितने लोग आए थे, कितने बैठे थे, और कितनी seats. Now you can see here, number of seats is more than the number of people. लोग कम आए थे और seats ज़्यादा थी. 2855 is more than 2096. Now there are still some seats left vacant. Vacant means खाली, बची हुई होगी कुछ seats. तो कितनी seats खाली बच गई थी? That means you have to find out the vacant seats in the hall. So total number of seats is given, number of people attended the meeting is given. You have to find out the vacant, means खाली बची हुई. And whenever you find out the left out things, that means you have to subtract. So we will solve it. So what is this? We always write what is given first. What is this? 2855. This is the total number of seats. So we will write total number of seats. So the total number of seats are 2855. Now what else is given? 2096. This is the people attended a meeting. So we'll write here people attended a meeting. That is 2096. Now what we have to find? Number of vacant seats. So number of vacant seats. So to find out the left out, we have to subtract. To subtract it, first of all make the upper digits greater. 5 is smaller than 6, so we will borrow 10 from here, so it will become 15. Now what is left over here is 4 tenths, that is, now here 4 is less than 9, so we will borrow 10 tenths, so it will become 14, and what is left over here is 700. Now 7 is greater than 0 and 2 is equal to 0, it's fine. Now start subtracting. 15 minus 6 is 9. Then 14 minus 9 is 5. 7 minus 0 is 7 and 0. So here is the number of vacant seats. So we will write 759 seats were vacant in the hall. So we have to write the answer. 759 seats were vacant in the hall. So our exercise is finished. Now move to the value based question. So here is a story. In this, the importance of trees given. Trees play a very important role in our life. You all know that trees are very important because it gives us many things like food. We get fruits, vegetables, pulses, grains, everything from the plants, and we also get oxygen, which is most important thing that we need to live, because without oxygen we can't survive. So trees play a very important role in our life. They beautify our surrounding, हमारे surroundings को सुंदर बनाता है. They make air fresh and cool. On the Van Mahotsav day, we have also discussed this Van Mahotsav in science, and this on that day, Van Mahotsav, people plant new trees or new plants, and in large number. So on the Van Mahotsav day, each child of class 2nd and class 3rd were asked to bring a sapling in a pot. छोटे छोटे पौधे पॉट में बच्चों को लाने को कहा था 2nd और 3rd क्लास के. Class 2nd and class 3rd brought 398 saplings and 550 saplings respectively. Class 2nd ने लाई 398 saplings and class 3rd ने लाई है 550 saplings. Saplings means छोटे छोटे पौधे लेकर आए हैं. You can see here the picture, Van Mahotsav day, class 2nd and class 3rd. So they have bring the saplings. Now the question is, which class bought more sapling? Out of class 2nd and class 3rd, which class has bring more saplings? Class 2nd लाई थी 398, class 3rd लाई है 550. So कौन सी क्लास ज्यादा saplings लेके आई है? Yes, class 3rd. Class 3rd लाई है 550 saplings. Now, and how much more? कितनी ज्यादा लेके आई है? So for that, to find out how much more, you have to subtract, because I have told you that whenever we compare the two things, दो things को हम compare करते हैं, कितनी ज्यादा है, कितनी कम है, कितनी बड़ी है, कितनी छोटी है, like this, then we have to subtract. To subtract 550 and 398. 550 minus 398, subtract it, you will get how much more the class 3rd has bring. कितने ज्यादा लाई है, इनको subtract करके we will get the answer. Next is, how do you care for the plant and trees in your neighborhood areas? Now you have to tell that how you care for the plants. आप कैसे plants की care रखते हैं जो आपके घर के आसपास हैं. And how do you celebrate the Van Mahotsav day in your school? और Van Mahotsav day आप अपने स्कूल में कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? Van Mahotsav day पे हम प्लांट्स लगाते हैं. हर जगह पर वन महोत्सव पे प्लांट्स ही लगाए जाते हैं. So you can write these two questions yourself. Now we will move to the brain teasers. Here is the brain teaser based on the two chapters, that is addition and subtraction, that we have done. So it is not only of subtraction, but it is of both the lessons. Now start with the first, 99 minus 0. Sorry, 99 minus dash is equal to 0. So 99 में से क्या माइनस करें कि हमारे पास 0 आंसर आ जाए? We have done in the properties of subtraction that when we subtract the same numbers, then the answer will be 0. तो 99 में से क्या माइनस करें कि हमारे पास 0 आंसर आ जाए? 99 में से 0 माइनस करेंगे तो हमारे पास 99 आएगा, 0 नहीं आएगा. 99 में से 1 माइनस करें, we will get 98. Now 99 में से 99 माइनस करें तो what will we get? 99 minus 99, same numbers when we subtract, we will get the answer 0. So yes, answer is 99. So 99 minus 99 is 0. Next is 35, 135, 235, and what will come next? So observe it carefully. क्या पैटर्न है ये, कैसे चल रहा है? 35, then 135, then 235, 35, 35, 35 सब में है. Difference is of 100. 35 के बाद 135, then 235. What will come next? 225, 335, 345, 3235. What do you think? What will come next? Yes, 335. See here, 35, then plus 100, 135, then again 100, 235, 1, 2, then 335. So here, in this type of question, you have to observe the pattern carefully. Next is 10 minus dash is equal to 20 minus 13. So here is the sign of equal to. That means जो 20 माइनस 13 करके आंसर आएगा वही आंसर आपका यहाँ पर 10 माइनस जो नंबर है उसको करके आना चाहिए. सो 20 माइनस 13 इज, इसको अगर हम माइनस करें तो व्हाट इज आवर आंसर? आवर आंसर इज 7. इसको माइनस करने से जो हमारे पास आंसर आता है दैट इज 7. ना यहां पर भी हमको 10 में से एक नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा, ऐसे नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा जिसको माइनस करने के बाद हमारे पास आंसर क्या बच जाए? 7. सो 10 में से क्या माइनस करूं कि मेरे पास आंसर 7 आ जाए? 10 में से 1 माइनस करेंगे, व्हाट विल लेफ्ट? 9. नो. 10 में से 3 माइनस करेंगे, व्हाट विल लेफ्ट? 10 minus 3 is 7. So yes, we will subtract 3 from 10, then our answer will come 7. 10 minus 3 is 7, so यहाँ पर 7 और यहाँ पर भी 7, so दोनों आंसर्स इक्वल हो जाएंगे. So then here next is 7. 10 minus 7 करेंगे तो 3 बचेगा. So यहाँ पर 7 लिखने 3, so 3 and 7 is not equal. Again 12, we can't subtract 10 minus 12. So here is the answer, 3. Next question, when we add 10 to 836, जब हम 10 में 10 और 836 को ऐड करें आपस में, add means plus, you all know, the digit at dash place increase by 1. That means इन दोनों को प्लस करने पे हमारा कौन सा प्लेस की जो डिजिट है वो 1 इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. लेट अस ऐड देम. 836 plus 10. I will add them. This is 1's place, this is 10's place, this is 100 place. Now add them. 6 plus 0 is 6, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 8. So कौन सा डिजिट इंक्रीज हुआ? 1. 6 तो 6 ही रहा, 3 1 इंक्रीज होके 4 हो गया एंड 8 8 रहा. सो हेयर 3 is increased by 1. So which place got increased? कौन सा place increase हुआ है? 10th place. So we'll write here 10th place. 10th place is increased by 1. Next, the sum of 250, 300 and 600 is. इन तीनों को का सम करें. सम मीन्स ऐड. इन तीनों को ऐड करेंगे तो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? 600 plus 300, 900. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1150. You can add them. If you don't know how to add orally, then you can also add separately 600, add them, you will get the answer 0, 5, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, 1150. So here is our answer. So these are the MCQs, and next question is arrange the in columns and add. Now here you have to arrange them in column. We have already done this in worksheets. Arrange in column like this, in column ones comes under ones, tens under tens, and like this, and then add them, and then find the difference between. You have to find the difference, minus karna hai. But here what you have to keep it in mind is, first of all, check which number is greater, and that number will come on the top. Here 3684 and 2985. So which one is greater? 3608. So we will write 3684 on the top, and then out of these two numbers, which one is greater? 7621 and 6438. So 7000 is greater than 6000. So it will come on the top. We will write 7621 minus 6438. So here in this question, you have to keep it in mind that you have to write the greater number on the top. Now again arrange them in column and subtract. Next is your subtract and check your answer. So here you have to subtract and then check your answer by adding the answer and the smaller number. If you get the greater number, then your answer is correct. That we have also done in the worksheet. You have to do it yourself. This is for the practice. And then the puzzle, solve the puzzle. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. We all know 7 plus 2 is 9. Now we will subtract 6. They have subtracted 6. Now 9 minus 6 is 3. Then 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1? 3 minus 1 is 2. We will write 2 over here. Now 2 plus 7. You have to write the answers only. What is 2 plus 7? 2 plus 7 is 9. So we will write, we have to just fill the blanks. So 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 4. Yes. Now 4 minus 4. We know that when we subtract the same numbers, then the answer will be 4 minus 4 is 0. And 8 plus 0 is, when we add any number by 0, we will get the number itself. 8 plus 0 is 8. And now 8 plus 2 is 10. So here is the answer. So here we have completed the puzzle. Now last question is, write the number which is 376 more than the greatest 3-digit number. Here try to understand the question. Write the number which is 376 more. हमें वो नंबर लिखना है जो 376 ज्यादा है किससे? ग्रेटेस्ट 3-digit number. First of all, what is greatest 3-digit number? To write the greatest 3-digit number, so greatest 3-digit number. What is the greatest 3-digit number? 999. You know that we have to repeat 9 3 times to write the greatest 3-digit number. So that is 999. Then हमें ऐसा नंबर चाहिए जो 376 ज्यादा है इससे. So that means we have to add 376 to 999. We will get the greater number, which is 376 more than 999. So we will add 376 to this. We will get the answer. 9 plus 6, 15. Then 7 plus 9 is 16 plus 1 is 17. Then 9 plus 3 is 12 plus 1, 13. So 1375. So here is the number. So 1375 is 376 more than greatest 3-digit number. So here is the answer. Now our chapter is finished. Now in next video we will start the next unit, थैंक यू।